Hey there. You're in sales, right? Let me tell you about SalesEye. SalesEye, a sales enablement tool that ensures every conversation your business has is insight-led and profitable. So who's it for? Yes, that's if you work in the wholesale, manufacturing, or distribution sectors. Have thousands of product lines and hundreds of customers who buy those products. There's just too many to constantly track and monitor accurately, but customers are valuable and deserve your attention. SalesEye is effectively a proactive CRM system that helps you in every single meeting you have with your customers. We know that salespeople don't have much time. Not even the most experienced sales professional has the time to track the trends and spot every opportunity within their customer sales data. SalesEye simply integrates with live invoice data and delivers on-the-spot actionable sales insights, business intelligence, sales trends, and even identifies churn risks, not in months, weeks, or days, but in seconds, bridging the gap between salespeople and sales data so you'll never miss a sales opportunity. On any device, in or out of the office, and even without an internet connection. So you can be prepared for every meeting. And with a full onboarding, training, and ongoing support here from the team at SalesEye, learning your way around it will be easy. It's simple, effective sales analytics software that will help you sell smarter. As it already does for hundreds of companies just like yours, selling to customers around the world. Be safe in the knowledge you're in good company. It's no secret, just a no-brainer. Work smart, sell smart. SalesEye.